Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia AT4 trim level. This AT4 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to the new 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4 Acadia here. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power adjustable trunk as well. We do have our electronic parking brake on our steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning and audio controls. 6 kilometers on this Acadia, brand new. Push button ignition. We have a large touchscreen up front. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, ready to hit the trails and have your phone connected. Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Dual zone climate control. Gear shifter is now moved to the button system. You have USB ports there as well as your SD card for your navigation. We got automatic stop start, traction control, and your parking sensor features. Heated seats up front for the driver and passenger. We got lane keep assist, your 4x4 dial. So you have 2-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. There's your 4x4. You have a race mode or sport mode. Off-road mode there as well, and trailer mode, helping you put power to those wheels in different situations. We do have the all black interior, Bose audio equipment, and then our luxurious black leather heated seats with AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of this beautiful Acadia here. We do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package that comes on these AT4s. You got the Continental Terrain Contact AT tire there. Nice aggressive tread tire. Perfect for this Alberta climate we have here. Color matched door handles with keyless entry all around. Remote start and blind spot detection. AT4 badging on the front door. Making our way to the front here, we do have those LED daytime running lamps as well as fog lamps, parking sensors, and that big new GMC grille. Beautiful metallic blue paint. Looks black in the sun, but it is a blue paint job. Black window trim, rear tinted privacy windows, running rails over top as well. LED tail lamps. We got dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors at the rear as well as a trailer ready bumper there. Power tailgate, backup camera, wrap up the AT4 Acadia. Jumping back into the interior here, our second row captain's chairs, both leather as well as car seat ready. We do have our rear climate controls with USB ports and an outlet there, rubberized floor liners. Lots of room in the back of the Acadia here. We got dual sunroofs over top. Seats fold down, get out of the way. Another 50-50 split in the back there, making room for 2 more passengers. Lots of room in this 6-passenger SUV. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia AT4. If you're looking for a trail-ready, full-size 6-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.